Hey Albert! Hey track fans, how you doing? We've got a BMW Z4 GT on the track, ready to go. We're back in the office, it's a new track because quite frankly, I need the space. So here we go, it goes under Antonio's chair, through the dart, round the hairpin, up into R2 corner 1. Oh, crossroads, we haven't had crossroads in our tracks for a few days, maybe even a couple of weeks. Under the spare chair, round the dogleg loop, up and back into the checkered flag. He's coming round the corner. This Z4 is handling the pace nice. Okay, I've not had much to do with the car. It's brand new, come in today. You're playing it at the same time I'm playing it. How exciting! So let's take a longer approach. Here it comes under Antonio's chair, round the hairpin into R2-1, across the crossroads, round the loop, round the corner, and now under the spare chair into the funny shaped turns, round into R2 and back to the start line. Let's get the old BMW coming round for a side image. Right guys, I'll see you later. Enjoy.